Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. For this one, we need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to x. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both side, and we have like this dv, that is about second derivative f of x ds. So the integration of this one, we have v equals to first derivative f of x. Now about this one, we have u multiplied by v. So we have the bounds from a to b minus we have the u multiplied by v. So that means this one and this one. So I will put b gone here and 8 gone here. So the integration of this one, we have f of x, and we put the bounds from a to b. We know that we have this one equals to number 0. That means we put number 0 cone here, number 0 cone here. So that means this one equals to number 0. So we just have only negative f of b plus f of 8. Or maybe we can put f of 8 minus f of b. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.